Becomes so consistent it scares people. Gyoji System. Consistency is the silent force that separates ordinary people from the ones who achieve the impossible, and the Gyoji System is your blueprint to mastering it. Most people think success comes from talent, luck, or sudden bursts of motivation, but the truth is far simpler and far more terrifying to those who aren't willing to commit. It's consistency. The Gyoji System isn't about doing more in a day or burning yourself out. It's about creating a rhythm in your life so strong that your progress becomes inevitable. It starts with understanding your habits, identifying the smallest actions that compound over time, and committing to them relentlessly. Imagine showing up every single day, even when no one is watching, even when you feel tired, even when the results aren't immediate. That's the kind of consistency that scares people because it's invisible at first, but unstoppable once it builds momentum. The Gyoji System teaches you how to structure your days, eliminate distractions, and design triggers that keep you accountable without relying on willpower alone. Over time, your competitors, your peers, and even your own doubts will notice the shift. What used to feel like impossible goals will start bending toward you effortlessly, because consistency is the quiet force that compounds like interest in a bank account. By following this system, you aren't just achieving results, you're reshaping your identity. You become someone who simply does what must be done, no excuses, no shortcuts. And once you reach that level, your consistency isn't just a habit anymore, it's a reputation. People notice. They get scared because they know they can't outwork you, and they can't match the momentum you've built. The Gyoji System doesn't promise overnight success. It promises the kind of unstoppable progress that lasts a lifetime, and it starts with one simple principle: do it, again and again, without fail. Stick to the system, embrace the repetition, and watch as consistency turns you into a force that others can't ignore.